Hi folks, and welcome to episode 2 of our series on tips. No doubt all of you have had the experience of cutting some plywood or trying to cross grain timber and having it break out on the underside of the edge where the saw is coming down and knocking chips out there. Something that none of us want to happen when you've got seam faces on both pieces, on both sides. So today's tip is to show you a quick and easy method as to how we can get around that. So what we want to do is we want to grab ourselves some masking tape, and all that we're going to do is simply just run the masking tape across where we're going to cut. Now for this one I'm just going to cut straight across the end, but if you were going to cut across the middle or something like that, the same thing, just it works no matter whether it's the end or middle. It doesn't matter where you're cutting the board, as long as you know where your cut's going to be and you can run your masking tape across, it's going to work effectively no matter which way you do it. So I'm going to get the extractor booted up, we're going to get the saw going, and we're going to do a demonstration cut just so I can show you how effective this method is. So for the purposes of this video, I have the guard raised up so that you can see what's going on. I wouldn't normally have my guard that high, but here we go. So here we are, cut done, and I'll reveal to you how that's come out. So you can see there it's come out very well. There's a couple of little very minor bits of breakout there, but they would air us out anyway, so nothing to worry about. So there you go, tip for the day.